am Shivani Sinha and I am here for teaching you C programming language. In this paper, we are having various contents like basic data structure, basic structure of C programming, data types, variables and all things. But first of all, let's get started with the introduction part. So in this video, I am going to deal with these topics only. That is introduction, that is why it is importance of C programming language, and the history of C programming language. So the first question when we talk about C programming language rises in our minds that why we learn C programming language. Instead of having so many languages in this time, we all have to start with C programming as a basic language for the students who are interested in computer science engineering and mainly deals with all the subjects. Okay, in any branch we are having this subject, that is C programming. So why we learn C programming language? First of all, we need to know that Oracle is written in C. Oracle is a software company which is the main thing where we used to study Java. That Oracle is written in C language. Core libraries of Android. We all know that we all have the Android phones. So Android phone having some libraries, some core libraries also. There are many features in that. So in C language it is written which part? The core libraries of the Android are written in C languages. Okay. Now the third point is every device driver is written in C programming language. What do you mean by device driver? You know the pen drive. When we attach a pen drive with our laptop or with our desktop, it gets installed. We are getting the notification of installation of device. Okay, but every device driver is written in C programming language, and that is the thing which our computer or our laptop, desktop, any system get read that outside devices. Okay, important part of web browser are also written in C programming language. See, we all are familiar with these web browsers like Mozilla, Google Chrome, Explorer, Internet Explorer, right? The most important parts of these web browsers are written in C language. Like operating system also. Okay, it includes operating system like Unix operating system, as we are using Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8.1 and anything. Linux and Unix is also an operating system, and Unix is written in C programming language. Understood? Now the last point is one of the most popular programming language is C through worldwide, because it is a basic, it is a ABCD of the programming, because it have all the basic informations, basic contents which we include in every language, which we possibly know if we go through the other languages is training, or we are doing any other languages like Java, like Python. Both all the languages have the some context, some variables, some data types. The main concepts are starting from the C programming language. So this programming language is very important to understand through the to the all the students of computer science. Okay, now the next point is why C programming language is important for students. Okay, firstly we are discussing about why C programming language we learn Okay, why we learn C programming language? So now we are studying that why C programming language is important for students. So first point is that it helps to improve programming skill. If you know the C programming language concept in a very easy manner, then it is very easy to understand how to learn our computer programming, how to learn the programming structure of the program, okay, how we implement the features of the C in programming to make the programs more easier. Okay, now the next point is basic of all the programming language. As I have said already that it is C programming is having all the basic features of all the any other languages like Java, like Python, like JS and all. Okay, .NET and all are having the basic programming language we have in this program, in this C language. Used in hardware depending programming. This is one of the most important feature of C programming, is that it is used in hardware depending programming. Okay, C programming language is very important and popular in the field of programming world. So we all have to understand very well that what is C programming, how we use it, what are the features of C programming language, and how we implement this features in our programming to make the programs in a very easy way and to learn it. Now get started with the history of C programming. See, when we learn anything, we should know what is the history of that. So I am here with the very starting history of programming language, how it improves, how it comes into this is digital world, in this internet, in this programming world. Okay, so in a very first, in 1960, ALGOL 60 means algorithm language 60 is invented. Okay, is produced by the Cambridge University, and in 1963 CPL, that is combined programming language, is introduced by this Cambridge University too. These are the languages which are the very introductory part of the programming language. Now when we come into the 1967, BCPL, Basic Combined Programming Language, is introduced by Martin Richard. Okay, and by 1969, B language. The important one is that in 1969, B language by Ken Thompson is introduced in Bell Laboratory, that is also called in Bell Labs. Both are the typeless language. Which one are? BCPL, that is introduced by Martin Richard, and the B language which is introduced by the Ken Thomas in Bell Laboratory. Both are typeless language. So in 1972, C programming language is introduced in Bell Laboratory by Dennis Ritchie. Okay, so we know we can call it Dennis Ritchie is the father of C programming language. Now after 1972, 1989, ANSI, American National Standard Institution, used to improve the features of C programming and introduced it in a new standard, that is C89. After that, in 1990, ISO gives a standard portion of C and added some new features into C89 and gives it a name as C90. And in 1995, ISO again introduced with a new standard with C95. In 1999, it reintroduced with some new features, that is called C99. And in December 2011, the latest version of C language, that is C11, is introduced. by the ISO. This is the current version. What we are using right now in C programming. This is the C11 version. Okay. So these are the introduction that why we need to know about C programming language, why it is necessary, how it is important in our programming language, in our programming platform, and what is the history about this. Okay, so in this video we covered all these two contents. In another video we are going to deal with the basic structure of C programming, what are the data types and all. So keep learning. Thank you.